Hello and welcome to Tularis University. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Barcode Regex filter for camera or integrated barcode. Now we assume in this video that you have Express Entry installed, you see in the middle of my screen here, and that you have your handheld installed and connected, which you see on the far right of my screen. Now the Regex filter can be used to pull out any data from a barcode, either read through our integrated barcode or through the camera feature of our device. Now to modify this, let's go into the settings. So we'll go into Tools. So remember that we're using this record. I'm going to be using this record for everything I'm doing in this video. So let's go into Tools and Settings. And the first thing we want to do is to see what settings we have. You go on the badge settings, and the settings is under the barcode option. So as you can see, the Regex filter is set to none. So if we scan on our device, and I'll show you what I'm scanning on the left side of my screen, you see it just pulls out everything that it scans. But first thing we can do, let's just try and modify and say we only want to pick out the numbers. Let's try again. So you see it pulls out the numbers which matches the badge number on this record. So let's see if we can pull out just the letters. And these are quick settings you can put on our system. And you see it just pulls out only the letter part of the barcode that it reads. Now the final thing you can do is to put a custom barcode. And in this case, I'm going to tell the system to pull out the first 7 digits, which matches to the barcode that I see on my device and the badge number. So let's put in the code that is \D 7 times. So that's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's hit save. Let's see what happens. There you go. So it pulls out the first 7 digits of whatever it sees. And this is a custom way to pull out the barcode. You can put very complex regex filters there if you like. Now, next thing we want to do is to check the camera feature of this barcode. It uses the exact same filter. So let's just go right into the camera and see how that works. So let's go into the handheld functionality. Let us select the camera and save. So once you save that, it should pull out the camera feature on the device. So let's see what happens when we pull that out. Remember to point the line on the barcode that you want to read. There you go. So it uses the same regex filter to pull out the data from the card and presents it for you on the handheld. Now this brings an end to the demonstration of this feature. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@tularis.com for any technical queries, or sales@tularis.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.